Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to a Kia Optima. First, ensure your Optima's infotainment system is on and in park. Navigate to the Setup menu and select Bluetooth. On your phone, go to Bluetooth settings and search for available devices. Select your Optima from the list, usually named Kia Motors or Optima. Confirm the pairing code on both screens to establish the connection. This allows for seamless hands-free communication and audio playback. For a wired connection, locate the USB port, typically near the center console. Plug in a certified USB cable to your phone and the car. Your Optima should automatically detect the device and prompt you to enable Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant necessary permissions. This integration mirrors your phone's essential apps, providing a safer and more convenient driving experience with features like voice commands and integrated maps. If you encounter connection issues, try restarting both your phone and the Optima's infotainment system. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve temporary software conflicts. Also, verify that your phone's operating system and the car's firmware are up to date. Outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility problems. If you have many paired devices, consider deleting old Bluetooth profiles from both your phone and the car to ensure a clean connection. Once connected, explore advanced features like voice commands for making calls, sending texts, or controlling music without touching your phone. You can also customize your infotainment display settings to suit your preferences, adjusting themes or widget layouts. Remember to always prioritize safe driving. For more tips and product recommendations, including a link for some amazing socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.